Hey guys, the battery's almost dead. So right now my top bunk is completely empty. In the last 2 days, not 2 days, in the last week I have gone through 2 students. I am way overstressed over it. I take great pride in making sure that I train my students to the best I can. But the 2 students I had, it was not working, okay? Today is the 17th, 6 a.m. See, it's getting light outside. But I'm about to go to bed. Just haven't really done a video just between personal life issues that are going on right now well, as you guys know from my last video, my friend's suicide. I got some money in the bank, but I would love to try to reach out to his parents and be like, hey, I might still try to do that, I don't know. I just know in the last, I haven't been making as much money as I want to. You know, I have sat down a little bit and I have been putting a bit of a spreadsheet together, and so later on I will do a video talking about kind of what I have made, kind of going a little bit more in depth on what has happened, what hasn't happened, and what I'm planning on trying to do to fix it, to try to get my income to where I need it. Not really much of an update here, guys, I know. Then I'm just stressed out. I need sleep. Oh, those sheets are gone. Okay, you know, everybody was complaining about the one sheet. I didn't change them because you were complaining. I changed them because I felt like it. But yeah, sheets are gone. And I got sheets for the top bunk. I'm hoping to try to get another student come Monday, Tuesday, I don't know. I'm gonna call Swift and talk to Lancaster and try to get that figured out. But if you get on my truck, I'll promise you one thing. I'm not going to do your backs. I'm not going to allow you to be lazy. If you get on my truck, you will be a professional driver by the time you get off. I'll guarantee it. Alright? My first 2 students that I trained, okay, they're driving in New York City. They're pulling Walmart trailers. They're going to some of the really, really, really hard docks, and they're hitting them. That says something about the way I train. These last 2 students, they made excuses. I don't take excuses. If you want to be a truck driver, you've got to learn how to do it. It's not easy. Truck driving is not easy, guys. It's not. But it's worth it. You make good money. You get to travel around the U.S. or Canada if you decide to go to Canada if you go with Swift. Some companies go Canada and Mexico. But anyway, I'm kind of just rambling on a little bit. I need to sit down. I got some backing videos I need to try to do. I got some videos I did when I was going down the road I'm going to try to get up. Especially since I'm solo for right now, I got some time to do it because I don't have a student on the truck. So I'm going to try to get some of that done. You know, hang tight. I'm still going to upload. Sorry, I've just been a tad slow. I've had a lot going on. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And I do have a video more coming on depression issues. And I'm probably going to talk about mine. which is a very, very sensitive subject. But maybe if I talk about some of my issues and how I've dealt with them over the years, maybe that will help some other people. Maybe that will help somebody. I don't know. Anyway, good night.